Exercise 7.1 Problem 2 Division 2 Solution. Prove the identity sin theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. Right? Okay. So, here a fraction is getting converted to a sum of two terms. So, and if you look at it, you have this 1 minus cos theta. Whenever you get this fraction divided by a minus b, like this kind of an expression, it's easy to multiply and divide by the just opposite of this. If it is 1 minus cos theta, you have to multiply it by 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Then you apply a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square formula, and simplify it, you'll be able to get the right answer. So the key is, whenever you have a fraction and you have two terms in subtraction, like this 1 minus cos theta, you multiply it and divide it by the fraction by just opposite of this. If it is 1 minus cos theta, you will have to multiply it by 1 plus cos theta. If it is 1 plus, you will have to multiply and divide by 1 minus, just the opposite sign. Okay, so let's try that. The LHS is sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. So multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos theta. So it's here it is 1 minus cos theta. You will have to multiply it by 1 plus cos theta. We get, so what will we get? Sin theta by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So this will become 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So that is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Got it? So 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta will be 1 minus cos square theta. A plus a and b. So a minus b into a plus b is a square is 1 square. Cos square theta. B square is cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta. Right? And the numerator will be sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Keep it as it is. Now, you have to replace. See, this is sin theta and this is 1 minus cos square theta. Immediately you should be able to recollect 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So if you put this as sin square theta, sin theta will get cancelled. Right? So sin theta into 1 plus cos theta, and this 1 minus cos square theta becomes sin square theta. Sin theta will get cancelled, so you will get 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Right? Then okay. Then what happens? You can now split this into two terms. So this will become 1 by sin theta plus cos by sin theta. Okay, and what will happen? So this 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta, and cos theta by sin theta is cot theta, and that is your RHS. You got it? I missed to explain this. 1 minus cos square theta, you have the formula, right? 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So that is what I have written here. So all the applicable formulas, we have just written it here for you to or for you to recollect, or for you to trigger the thought process. Okay, for to trigger your thought process. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is how this problem is done. So let's just go through one more time. So whenever you have this a fraction getting converted into a sum, and you have this 1 minus cos theta in the denominator, multiply and divide it by 1 plus, just the opposite side. So here it is minus, so it will become plus. So 1 plus cos theta, both the numerator and denominator, and then the bottom, the denominator you are using a square minus b square, then using an identity to convert it to sin square theta, cancelling sin theta, then you are splitting it into two fractions, which gets you the right answer. Okay, so now let's recap here. So one formula identity which you are using is 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. Then a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. And whenever you see this, the most important thing is you multiply it by opposite of this, that is 1 plus cos theta, and simplify it. And replace this 1 minus cos square theta as sin square theta. You get the RHS. Okay, so these are the key steps for the problem. I hope I made it clear. If not, please go through one more time. Thanks for watching this video.